Okay, we're going to be coloring Kirby. Let's go with pink. That's right, let's color Kirby. Color. You want to start with his feet?
Yeah.
Alright, let's change that up to a nice brown, would you say?
Wow!
Brown color for his feet. Brown color for his feet. Brown color for his feet. Okay, and then a little brown over here.
A pig's feet.
Yeah, starting with Kirby's feet. And look at that. He's getting nice dirty color.
And now what's it?
Yeah, dirty color, brown feet. Whoa, look at Kirby. He's a fighter Kirby. He ate one of the fighter enemy types, and now he can kick butt.
That's a pig's feet.
Okay, his feet are done. Let's go with his hands. Yeah, well, he's only got one hand in this picture.
2 hands.
Yeah, well, I don't know where his second hand is. Right now, it's just his feet.
Yeah.
One hand that we can see. He's so vicious. Look at Kirby. Look at him go. He's such a Kirby. Do you like Kirby?
Yes.
Yeah, Kirby's a fun character, isn't he? He can be so many different types of characters because of his powers to eat people. Well, he's not eating people, he's eating enemies from his Star World, Pop Star. I would like to visit Pop Star, wouldn't you? Pop Star looks like it would be a lot of fun to visit. And we are coloring, getting as much of the white out of the way. It's okay if we go outside the lines a little bit, it's not a big deal, this is just fun. Color Kirby, color Kirby, color Kirby. And then let's get the top of his head here, color. Okay, now we gotta color his bandana. What color do you want his bandana to be? Choose a color. What about yellow? Bright
yellow!
Alright, bright yellow, done.
Yellow banana!
Yellow bandana for like a banana. Whoa, it kind of looks like a banana because of this yellow color that we're using. Whoa, look at that. We got a yellow bandana Kirby. Whoa.
Yeah!
Yeah, he's a yellow belt. Even though the belt's on his head. Making it into a bandana, wouldn't you say?
No, choose a banana.
Well, hold on. I'm not done.
Choose a banana.
A banana? Choose a banana? Well, you don't have any bananas to choose.
Yellow.
It is kind of funny. He does kind of look like a banana. His feet are brown, like the end of a banana. And then his bandana is yellow, like a banana.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Yeah. He's like a cherry in the middle. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's erase it. Erase it. Whoa. Erased. Ah. Erased. Nice and clean. Do we want to start over?
No, choose a color.
You want me to choose a color? Alright, you want me to go with pink? You want a different color of pink? A little shade? Different shade of pink? How about a little lighter? How about this pink? Peach. Like a peach. Peach pink. Yeah, peach. Peach in color.
Oh! It's a petty.
Yeah. Hey, Kirby. Go. Look at that. We are coloring Kirby all around, everywhere. Every little white spot we can get to. Let's go, Kirby. Color. Yeah, this is more of the color that you expect Kirby to be. A very peachy pink, you know? Unless he's mad, or he takes on like the ice powers of the ice enemies. Then he's, a blue color. Actually, I think red and blue are kind of the only other two colors he comes, but I could be wrong. Hey Kirby, eat this. Oh, look at that. Oh, gotta get it right under the eyes here. Wow, get those eyes really colored in. Yeah, let's get those eyes really colored in. Color. Kirby's like a chameleon, you know? Whoa, get it right under his lip here. You know what we forgot to do last time? We forgot to color his tongue. Let's color his tongue red.
It's a tongue red.
Yeah, like a nice dark red.
A nice
go. Yeah, dark red tongue. He ate a cherry. Alright, let's get his feet. What color do you want his feet to be? Actually, wait. I forgot to color the top of his head. Let me just color the top of his head. Shrink that. Whoa. Hold on. Let me finish. Okay, now you can change it. 100%. 100%. Alright, what do you want me to color next? Do you want the feet or the bandana? Feet or bandana? Which one? What color do you want his feet?
Banana.
Okay, bandana.
Yellow.
Yeah, you want his bandana to be yellow? How about a different color? How about green?
How about deep banana?
Which green? Yes, it's not a ripe banana yet. Which green? Pick a green. Oh, I'm gonna pick this green. Yeah. Bandana.
It's a
Bandana. It's like a belt for your head. Bandana. A belt for your head. Color. Wow, look at this. This is a great color for a bandana, wouldn't you say? A green colored bandana. I like it. It's very pretty. It's a very pretty bandana. Very pretty bandana. Color. Look at this color. What would you say this color is? It's a very fluorescent green. It's a bright green. I wish they had the names of the colors. It just has the hex value, which is 47 ED87. I don't know what exactly that would mean. I would have to Google it. Yeah, it doesn't give you the actual name of the color. I would like a name. Okay, what color do you want his feet to be? Give me a color for the feet. What color for the feet? Pick a color. Any color. Pick one.
Pick one, this.
Which one? Well, pick one.
Pick one, this.
Pick a color, please.
Uh-oh.
How about purple?
How about purple?
Purple, done. Ooh, this is a
done.
Yeah, this is like a bright.
It's a time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 7 minutes. Whoa.
7
minutes. Let's color the feet. Do you like the purple color?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that color.
A pig.
Yeah, it's Kirby. Oh yeah, it's 7:50. Kirby. Color the Kirby feet.
Done.
Whoa, look at him. He is so stylish. Very retro colored. I would say he's from the 90s. Do you want to start over?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start over one more time.
One more time.
Eraser. Erase. This is my favorite part. Oh, erase. Whoa, he's nice and clean now. Alright, let's color him again. What color do you want him to be? Pick a color. Pick a color, please. Pick a color.
Pink.
Okay, click done.
Done.
Alright, let's go, Kirby. Do you want Kirby to be pink?
Yes.
Okay, here.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. Whoa.
Your turn.
Kirby is a pink puff. He's a pink puff. He's gonna puff it up. He's a pink puff. A very pink puff. Sometimes you want to go in the circular motion. Look at these circles. Whoa.
YouTube this.
Yeah, YouTube Kids. Circular motions. Whoa.
Tomorrow this.
Yeah.
Hi,
No, I know. Look at that.
Where is this thing?
Whoa. Okay, now we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful around here, because how about we do about 50? Wait.
How about if we sense?
Okay, but what about if we just get this nice and tightly colored in like that? Whoa, wait, I'm not done. Oh, okay, all right, do it. 100%.
What happened?
Okay, let's try coloring this a little here. Okay, what do you want his feet to be? What color? Pick a color for his feet. Pick a color for his feet. Pick a color for his feet.
2 sets. Oh,
How about blue? Light blue?
White blue.
Light blue. Done. Baby blue for
Baby
him.
blue. Oh, baby white blue.
Baby blue for his feet. Baby blue.
Oh, baby blue.
Feet.
Ta-da. Oh, dog.
Baby blue for his feet. Baby blue for his feet. Okay. What about the bandana? What color do you want his bandana to be? Let's see the color for the bandana. Color.
Yellow.
Done.
Dog.
Okay, he has a yellow bandana, everybody. That's it. We're going yellow. Ooh, this is a really strong yellow. Like a sunshine yellow. Sunny yellow, sunny yellow, sunny yellow. Color. Sunny yellow, sunny yellow, sunny yellow. Color.
Yellow.
Sunny yellow.
Bang.
It's like Sunny Delight. No, actually it's not. Sunny Delight's much more orange than this.
Okay.
And we're done, everybody. Woo! That's so cool.
That's a dude.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.